In this video, I will show you how to transcribe voice messages on WhatsApp. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. On the home screen, tap on the three dots at top right corner. A drop-down menu with few options will appear. Select the settings option. On the settings page, look for the chats option. This section contains settings related to your conversations. Tap on it. Here you will see the option of voice message transcripts. This is the feature that allows WhatsApp to convert voice messages into text. Tap on it to open transcription settings. Once you are in the voice message transcripts settings, you would need to select the language in which you want to transcribe the message. So tap on choose language option. On the next screen, you will see the list of available languages. Select the language in which you want to transcribe the message. If you want to transcribe your voice message in English, then tap on English option. If you need transcription in another language, select the one which works best for you. After that, look for the Setup Now option at the bottom. Tap on it to confirm your language selection and enable the transcription feature. WhatsApp will now set up the transcription feature for your account, which may take a few moments. Once the setup is complete, go back to the home screen and open the chat in which you want to transcribe the voice message. You will see the setting up transcripts written under your voice message. This indicates the voice message you want to transcribe is being processed by WhatsApp. Once the processing will complete, you will see the transcribed message here. And this is how you can transcribe voice messages on WhatsApp.